All right, my peoples, I am doing a quick review of the K-Wing 6-pack 24-ounce glass overnight oats jar lids. Well, it's not lids, it's the whole thing. So here's the lid, and I just wanted to show you real quick. It does have a really nice seal in it, and that's what this is about. So this bottle has been sitting on its side full of water for over 24 hours, and it did not leak at all. So I'm pretty happy with that. The rest of it is really simple because you just get a glass jar. This jar is real glass. Have you ever, noticed that cheap fake glass that's going to break? So this is real glass like you would see with any other like canning jar. And then the lid, like I said, really good seal. Goes on real smooth. And it is tight. It does not leak. Like I said, 24 hours. I'm pretty impressed with these. We got these for my youngest son, who is a aspiring football player. He has to take tons of meal replacement and protein shakes to school every day. So it works for him really good. And chicken approves.